This is how you make a base map without a drone. Let's say you don't have a drone. Pick up some graph paper and some measuring tape. If you're in the field, put it on a clipboard or something with a hardback. I'm using an iPad here for the sake of the demo, but paper is far more reliable when you're out on the field. For the sake of simplicity, I've marked the borders of the land as a perfect rectangle. I've gone ahead and counted 20 rows and 16 columns, so we're going to call this a 16 by 20 plot. One cell representing 1 square meter. Whatever your land dimensions are, just try to fill as much of the sheet as possible, because more space means more detail. And then just divide the real distance by the number of cells to get your scale. I often find it helps to pick a cell count that divides evenly into your real dimensions. Like in our previous video, we started at the top of the land and worked our way down, marking every 1 meter drop in elevation. And by measuring the distance, we transferred those points to the graph. You can also add features to your map, like a building or a tree. Just make sure you measure from 2 known points and mark the intersection. And like anything in permaculture, we try not to look at things in isolation. So while we're on location, let's take note of a few other factors. The path of the sun, the prevailing wind direction, and any other environmental context that feels relevant. For the sun path specifically, there are pretty accurate apps out there. Some of them are free. Getting these down saves you from having to come back. Once we had enough points on our grid, we connected them at the same elevation. And those were our contour lines. They're just representative, so it's okay to eyeball them. The more points, the more accuracy. But even a simple map like this gives you a good idea of the topography. And that's how you make a base map when you don't have a drone. It's really that simple. In the next video, we're going to take this 2D base map and model it into a 3D cutout.